Welcome to Real Life English. Today's video is about going to the movies. You will learn useful English for buying tickets, ordering snacks, and talking about a film with a friend. Let's get started.
Hey, Leo, are you free this weekend? I want to see a movie.
Sure, I'm free on Saturday. What do you want to watch?
I'm not sure yet. Let me check what's playing.
Okay, is there anything new?
Yes, there's a new action movie and also a comedy. Which one sounds better to you?
I'm more in the mood for something funny. What's the comedy about?
It's about a family on a crazy road trip. It got great reviews. People say it's really funny.
That sounds good. What time does it start?
There's a show at 4:30 and another one at 7.
Let's go to the 7 o'clock show. That way we can grab dinner first.
Perfect. I'll check if we can book seats online.
Good idea. It's usually busy on weekends, so it's better to book early.
You're right. Let me see. Okay, there are still a lot of seats open for the 7 o'clock show.
Great. Should we watch it in 3D or regular?
Regular is fine for a comedy. 3D is nice for action movies, but it's more expensive.
Makes sense. Let's just go with regular. See you Saturday at 6:30 then?
Sounds good. See you then.
Now, Leo and Emma arrive at the movie theater. Emma waits nearby while Leo goes to the counter to buy the tickets. Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, 2 tickets for the 7 o'clock comedy, please.
Sure. Would you like regular seats or premium seats? Premium seats are in the back and they're a bit wider.
What's the price difference?
Regular seats are $10 each and premium seats are $14 each.
Let's just get regular seats. That's fine for us.
No problem. Where would you like to sit? We have seats near the front, in the middle, or near the back.
The middle would be great. We don't want to sit too close to the screen.
Great choice. I have 2 seats together in row F. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay, that'll be $20 total. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. The movie starts in about 20 minutes, so you have time to get some snacks if you'd like.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the movie. Leo walks back to Emma with the tickets.
Got them. We're in row F, right in the middle.
Perfect. Let's go get some snacks before it starts.
Before the movie starts, Leo and Emma stop by the concession stand for some snacks. Leo orders while Emma looks at the menu board.
I'm getting popcorn. Let's share a large one.
Sure, that sounds good. I'll order for us.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I get a large popcorn and 2 drinks, please?
Sure. What size drinks would you like?
Medium is fine for both.
Okay, and which drinks would you like?
2 colas, please.
Hopeful. Would you like a combo? The combo includes a large popcorn and 2 medium drinks for $18. It's a little cheaper than ordering separately.
Oh, that's a good deal. Let's do the combo then.
Great choice. Anything else? We also have candy and nachos.
No, this is enough for us, thank you.
Okay, that'll be $18.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your popcorn and drinks will be ready in just a moment. Here you are. Enjoy the movie.
Thanks so much.
Leo carries the popcorn and drinks back to Emma.
Wow, that smells amazing. Thank you for getting everything.
No problem. Let's head to our seats. The movie's starting soon.
Now it's time for Leo and Emma to find their seats and get ready for the movie.
Okay, our seats are in row F. Let's see. F5 and F6.
I think it's this way. The numbers are getting closer.
Yes, here we are. F5 and F6.
Perfect. This seat is really comfortable.
Yeah, and we have a great view of the screen from here. Not too close, not too far.
I love that. Oh, wait, let me put my phone on silent. It's a bit rude to have your phone ring during a movie.
Good idea. I'll do the same.
The lights are getting dim. I think the previews are starting.
Perfect timing. I love watching the previews. Sometimes they show trailers for movies I want to see later.
Me too. Okay, let's watch.
The movie has ended, and Leo and Emma are walking out of the theater talking about what they just watched.
So, what did you think?
I really enjoyed it. It was funnier than I expected.
Same here. I loved it. What was your favorite part?
Definitely the scene at the gas station. That was hilarious.
Oh my gosh, yes. I couldn't stop laughing. My favorite part was the ending, though. It was so surprising.
I agree. I didn't expect that at all. Did you like the main actor?
Yes, he was great. His acting felt very natural.
I think so too. How would you rate the movie out of 10?
I'd give it a 9. It wasn't perfect, but it was really enjoyable.
I'd say the same. It was a great choice for tonight.
I'm glad we came. It's always more fun watching a movie with a friend than watching alone.
Definitely. It makes the whole experience better.
We should do this again sometime.
For sure. Actually, I heard there's a new movie coming out next month. It looks really interesting.
Oh, really? What's it about?
I'm not exactly sure yet, but the trailer looked amazing. Want to check it out together when it comes out?
I'd love that. Let's plan for it.
Great. And maybe next time we can try the premium seats.
That sounds fun. I'm looking forward to it already.
Me too. Thanks for a great night, Emma.
Thank you too, Leo. See you next time.
What do you want to watch? What time does it start? Let's go to the 7 o'clock show. Should we watch it in 3D or regular? 2 tickets for the 7 o'clock comedy, please. Would you like regular seats or premium seats? The middle would be great. Can I pay by card? Can I get a large popcorn and 2 drinks, please? Would you like a combo? That's a good deal. Let me put my phone on silent. We have a great view of the screen from here. The lights are getting dim. What did you think? I really enjoyed it. That was hilarious. How would you rate the movie out of 10? I'd give it a 9. Want to check it out together? Thanks for a great night.